We welcome you back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about the IELTS academic reading test. Before moving on, please follow our channel and click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever we release a new video. So let's start. The IELTS reading test is 60 minutes long, in which you will be required to look for answers to the questions from the given passages. Something which we used to do in school or college, very basic, read, find and answer. In academic IELTS reading, you would need to answer 40 questions distributed between 3 passages within 60 minutes. You would also be asked to transfer your responses from the question booklet into the answer sheet, just like in the listening test. But the difference would be that no extra time is given for the transfer. Therefore, time management is the key here. Using the right technique for the right question is very important. The passages in the academic IELTS reading test can be based on a variety of topics, can be illustrated, can also be written in different styles. The length of these passages would be somewhere around 800 words and the level of English would be upper, intermediate or advanced. Now, let's look at the question type which can be there in your reading test. You can be asked multiple choice questions, classification, matching, true false not given, labeling diagram, choosing a heading, short answer questions, locating information, sentence completion, identification of the writer's view, notes, table, flowchart completion and summary. Like in the listening test, in the reading test as well, you get 1 point for each correct answer and no points for an incorrect. So for 40 questions, you would be marked out of 40. There is no negative marking, so please make sure you attempt all the questions. The points are then converted into band scores based on how much you score. Here is the band score table for academic IELTS reading. Please note that this table is different from the one which is used for grading the listening test. Now, here are a few tips for you. Always read the questions first. This is how you will know what to look for in the passage. Don't waste your time by reading the full passage. Remember, the aim is to find correct answers and not reading everything. Always keep a timer on while practicing reading tests to gauge your progress. Don't spend more than 15 to 18 minutes on a single passage and try to answer each question within 45 seconds. If you think a certain question is taking too long, circle it and move on. Attempt these circled questions in the later part of the test once you are done with the transfer. Be careful while copying answers. If spellings are wrong, you will not get a point even if the word is right. In the upcoming videos, we will learn and analyze different reading techniques to perform the task effectively and efficiently. I hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.